Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. This is the location to where we're going to give you all a heads up as to where we're anticipating price to go. And on this video, we are going to show you for TRON. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this particular channel to make sure that you are updated on where we are seeing price go. That's it. That's the only thing that we're worried about, is to see what the market anticipates in terms of where we're headed so that we can get in position and capitalize from it. That's it. This is the only way that you are able to win into the market. All other technical indicators and fundamental analysis literally push you behind the eight ball. We need to ensure that we are ahead of everyone else so that we can profit and wait for them in anticipation of where we expect price to go. Now, if you want to see our stock price predictions real quick, you can head on over to our second YouTube channel, HueFin News 2, where we give you all of our stock price predictions within the stock market. So let's speak on TRON real quick. Already can tell that we did a price prediction into the market in TRON all the way back here on February the 11th, 2021. We expected some strength to occur into the market in TRON, and he has exceeded our expectations far beyond what we thought. We had the market in TRON coming up here around 0.056, which is still pretty good in terms of profitability. 16.88% is still excellent, but the market actually topped out around 0.064 right here on February the 19th. So 8 days into our prediction, the market went all the way up there towards 0.064, which is around 33.5% profitability. So excellent job to those who was able to call that market, who was able to call that and was already in position to capitalize on that price movement. You did a wonderful job. It's one thing that we do here. We are winners. This is one thing that we are understanding in order to profit in the market. So that is done. That is over. As always, we need to ensure we get in position to capitalize on price movement going forward. So we're zoomed out on this price chart on the daily time frame. We can see that the market in TRON is now back below restriction of about 5 cents, right? We found that area to be a huge problem for the trap, for the one who moves the price, and we are now trading back below it. So you already know that we're seeing 5 cents as restriction. That simply means that there's where more sellers are present than there are buyers. That's it. All right. So now let's see if we need to keep these lines here on our chart. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer. And already you can tell here that the market in TRON has endured some weakness on a 3-day time frame. But he's taken the beating quite well. If the trap really was weak on this current, this previous 3-day price bar right here, we would have definitely seen the market go lower. But apparently there's still buyers there in that range. So the market in TRON, even though we've seen it go lower, it is not that weak. Matter of fact, the market is holding support right there around 4 cents, which is also a positive thing to see on a 3-day time frame. Looking at TRON on a 5-day time frame, it gives us a different viewpoint. It gives us a different picture regarding how restrictive 5 cents is. Okay, over the last 2 5-day price bars, you can see that the market has been unable to break price above a nickel. So that lets us know that there is still opportunity for the sellers to lower the price of TRON, which is a good thing for the buyers, because buyers don't want to pay high prices for any product. They want to buy a cheaper price. Now, let's look at TRON on a weekly time frame. You can see here that the market in TRON here is still weak as well. Now, there were buyers that came into the market on this last completed weekly price bar. They saw TRON being a buy opportunity, so they jumped in and tried to purchase TRON at very cheap prices. But one thing they didn't notice is that the market is now trading below 5 cents. And that is like a lid that is going to hold back the price movement in TRON. How did we end out the month? the month of February, you can see even on this Bitfinex exchange that the volume has been climactic, meaning we have not seen this much volume ever in the history of TRON being traded on this exchange. And look at where we closed at. We closed below 5 cents. That is scary. Look at what happened the last time we tried to break above 5 cents in September. We consolidated in October, November, December, and then we tried again, and we're still seeing this market as rejection. So the demand in TRON is increasing, meaning the willingness of people to purchase this currency is increasing. They are becoming more comfortable with purchasing TRON around 4 cents to 5 cents. But looking at the market though, do you suspect that TRON is going to continue to go lower, higher in price? Because looking at these varying time frames, I'm still seeing the strength. Okay. I'm still seeing that the market in TRON is going to try to, I'm not saying that it's going to be successful, but it's going to try to break 5 cents to the upside. Okay. Now that might not be worthwhile, depending if you're in this for the long term, but we can literally see the market in TRON increase from where we are at now. What, another 4%? And then we'll have to come into the market and reevaluate it again. But currently, you guys can see that the market in TRON is definitely willing to continue to see higher price. So long as the market in TRON continues to trade above 4 cents, that 5 cent breakage to the upside is in play. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and extend out this restriction area of 5 cents. Okay, so we know that 5 cents is restriction, right? So we're going to hold that there. Okay, in this vicinity. This is how we're going to play the market. And we're going to extend the trend out into the market in TRON, the ascending line. And this is the pretty big area that we can watch the market trade. All right. Now, seen over the last couple of trading days on the daily time frame, I can also tell that the market at least is going to try again to break above 5 cents. Okay. So this is a very, very small opportunity to see the market in TRON go higher in price. Obviously, we would TP the market right there on our hour restriction line, which is around 3.96% at the moment. And I told you, so long as TRON continues to trade above 4 cents, that is going to be in play in TRON. Okay, I definitely like support to be right here around 4.5 cents. Okay, that's a very small area. But again, we can literally expect the market in TRON to try to come up there to 5 cents. And if it's going to be successful, 5.5 cents is going to be the next area that we can see the market in TRON come and tag out. Well, I'll say right here, 0.052. All right. So this is it. Now, this has to happen relatively quick in order for us to see the price break above 5 cents. The longer that it does not do it, the less likely our forecast is going to happen. Just telling you all that right now. Okay. But that's what we're seeing right now in this particular moment from the trap. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in TRON. And now is your opportunity to tell us, what do you all think? What is your price prediction? Let us know with a comment in the comment section as to where you think the market in TRON is going to go for the month of March. Okay. Tell us. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.